This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Jim Stanley. Beautiful contemporary home in like new condition, move-in ready. This brick 3-bedroom split floor plan has a roof that is just a couple of months old. The floor plan offers a large master bedroom, walk-in closet and a big master bath. The kitchen has beautiful cabinets, and comes with all appliances furnished. There is a good-sized dining area with the kitchen. A screened and covered porch is accessed from the large living room, looking out on the privacy-fenced backyard. Meticulously maintained, this home is ready for its new owners. For more information, review the details below or contact Jim Stanley at 479-264-7294.